Hey guys, welcome back, and I am shooting this video from work, and I'm going to show you my nails. I got these done yesterday. This phone keeps sliding. Okay. I love the tribal designs, absolutely love them. I do not like the stones. I'm not flipping you guys off, but she put the stones on both the middle fingers, and I don't care for them at all. I like all of them except the middle fingers. What do you guys think? And I'm trying to go ahead and show you because I think I'm going to take some of these off. I feel like they're getting caught on my hair, my sweaters, my comforter, my jacket. They're just getting caught on everything. This one, not so bad. But this one is getting caught on everything. And I don't know if you guys can tell, she did charge me more this time for my nails, and I'm thinking it's because these crystals may cost her a little bit more, so I'm not hating. I just wish she would have told me prior to when I asked her to do the design, or prior to doing it. I did not ask for these particular stones. I let her choose how she wanted to do them. So I feel like if you're going to do something that's going to cost more, you should at least let the customer know that it's going to cost more in case they don't want to do it, don't want to pay that, or don't have the funds. I didn't know how much it was going to cost until after I came from under the dryer. I've been to her about, 5 times, 6 times, and my price has always been the same. This is the first time it changed. It could be because she had to do so much detail. She did sit there and hand paint all of these. And don't get me wrong, I respect the game. You guys know I've been getting my nails done for a long time. I respect the game. But still, let me know if there's a price change or a price difference, just so I'm aware. Luckily, I did have the funds to pay for the nail job she did. I just would have liked to know if it was a different price from what I normally pay. So let me know what you guys think. Like I said, I love the nails. I love the design. I don't like this one. And I don't like this one. I don't know. It could be just me. I love you guys' opinion. I love talking to you guys, chatting with you guys. Let me know what you think. Maybe it's just me and how I feel about it. Maybe they're absolutely beautiful. I've been getting compliments on them all day, every day. All day since I've gotten them done, so I'm not knocking her work. People have come into my job and complimented me, said they love my nails. My coworkers love them. I'm going to put Maria's secret potion underneath. I haven't done that yet this time. I do it every time I go get my nails done. And her secret potion has been helping my nails to grow really, really well and not break underneath. So if you don't know about Maria's secret potion, go watch my video. I may do another video showing how I use her secret potion. And now I got to answer the phone. So let me know what you guys think. I'll comment down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.